Hi, this is Steve Noma in Chicago. Eventually, we finished rehabbing work and then we put property on the market. This is for short-term rentals. This property is located in Dyer, Indiana. Originally, I bought this house as an estate sale. And then we spent 3 months and a half. Then we completely renovated new house. Since the beginning, we decided to use this house for short-term rentals. Therefore, we made some kind of extra effort. Then look at this. This is a wall. If this is a regular lease, I don't do this kind of things. We made some decoration on the ceiling. Not only can light, we installed the speakers. Same with the kitchen. We made some design on the wall. Then we made a speaker on the ceiling too. Then in the bathroom also we have a Wi-Fi system. You can listen to music. Therefore, I can show you entire house.